Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with bulky clamps, misaligned drill holes, or overcomplicated joinery setups, you know how frustrating basic woodworking projects can become. Today, we're looking at a tool that promises to simplify one of the most common yet tricky tasks in DIY: pocket hole joinery. The BORA automatic mini pocket hole jig enters the scene with a reputation. It's sleek, compact, and carries the engineering pedigree of a brand known for precision. Priced at $84, it's not just about size, it's about smart design that adapts to your workflow. Over the years, I've tested plenty of jigs, from budget models to professional grade systems, and most require a fair amount of setup, calibration, and patience. But this one? It claims to change the game by streamlining the entire process. So, does it really deliver on that promise, or is it just another overpriced shortcut? Let's dive into the details and see where it excels and where it might fall short. Let me start by saying, if you're in the market for a compact, reliable pocket hole jig that doesn't take up half your toolbox, the BORA Automatic Mini Pocket Hole Jig is one of the more impressive tools I've used lately. I've been working in woodworking on and off for years, mostly on smaller home projects, think shelves, cabinets, or quick repairs around the house, and I've always found full-size jigs to be overkill for the kind of work I do. This little guy, though, fits perfectly in that niche. It's small, lightweight, and surprisingly intelligent in how it adjusts itself. You slide your board into the calipers, and it automatically sets the drill, depth, and collar position based on the wood's thickness. That's not just convenient, it takes the guesswork out, especially for beginners. Plus, it's got a built-in guide that tells you exactly what screw length to use, either by measurement or color code. That little feature alone saves time and prevents mistakes, and I appreciate tools that help me work smarter, not harder. One of the first things I tested was drilling into 2x4s, the thickest material I tend to work with, and the process was smooth. The calipers locked in snugly, the depth collar adjusted automatically, and after tightening the set screw, I was ready to go. I flipped the stopper plate into position, clamped it down, and drilled the first hole. Clean, accurate, and perfectly angled, exactly what you want. The fact that it's self-calibrating makes it incredibly user-friendly, even if you're not a seasoned woodworker. I've had friends try pocket hole joinery before and get frustrated with setup or drilling at the wrong depth, but this jig minimizes that risk. It's like having a built-in coach guiding you through each step. For DIYers, weekend warriors, or even contractors who need a reliable tool on the job site, this level of simplicity is a game changer. It's also worth noting that this design is actually a re-release of the original Armor jig. BORA brought it back under their name, keeping the same manufacturing standards that made the original so well regarded. That legacy shows in the build quality. Now, I'll be honest, I was a little skeptical at first about how durable it would be. It's compact, sure, but does that mean it's flimsy? From my experience so far, the answer is no. The body feels solid, well-machined, and it holds its position firmly when clamped. I've used it on various wood types, from soft pine to harder oak, and it hasn't wobbled or shifted during drilling, which is crucial for accuracy. The case it comes in is plastic, nothing fancy, but it does the job of organizing everything. It includes a pretty good starter set of screws in different lengths, some of which are already sorted into small boxes. I'll admit, the internal dividers inside the case are a bit thin and could break with heavy use, but that's a minor gripe. The real value is in what's inside: the jig, the drill guide, the collar, and yes, the clamp. Which brings me to something I need to address, because it's not all perfect. The clamp. Now, hear me out, this is where things get a little mixed. On paper, the clamp is part of what makes this kit all in one. It's designed to magnetically attach to the jig and lock it down solidly so it doesn't shift during drilling. And in theory, that's great. But in practice, mine didn't hold as securely as I'd hoped. The magnet, though strong on some units I've seen, On mine didn't seem to have a firm enough grip, and after a few uses, I noticed it wasn't staying put as consistently. On harder woods or during repeated drilling, the jig would sometimes creep slightly, throwing off alignment. That's frustrating when you're trying to keep everything precise. I ended up using a separate bar clamp for my toolbox, which worked better. I know some users love the included clamp and find it more than sufficient, but for heavy use or long sessions, you might want something sturdier. It's not a deal breaker, but it's definitely a point to consider, especially at this price point. Speaking of price, that's another area where opinions could split. At $84, it's not cheap for a mini jig. I get that you're paying for precision, smart design, and the BORA name, but there are less expensive options out there. That said, when I think about the time it saves, the accuracy it delivers, and how often I actually reach for it versus my larger jig, the value starts to make sense. It's become my go-to for quick fixes, small builds, or jobs where I don't want to haul out a full bench setup. As a contractor who keeps tools in my truck, this one stays within arm's reach. It's compact enough to toss in a side compartment, and I've already used it on site for a few cabinet repairs and trim adjustments. Being able to make strong, clean joints on the fly without lugging around a bulky system is worth something, and honestly, that versatility is where this tool shines the most. Another thing I appreciate is how complete the kit feels. You really do get everything you need to start: jig, drill guide, depth collar, screws, and even a bit driver. The included screws cover a good range of thicknesses, and having them color-coded makes it easy to grab the right one without second-guessing. I've used them on everything from thin plywood to solid pine boards, and they've seated cleanly every time. The only minor downside is that the case can't hold all the extra screw boxes. There are more screws than can fit in the tray. But that's a good problem to have. It means you're getting value, not just a token assortment. And while I mentioned the case quality isn't top shelf, it's functional. It keeps all the small parts together, which is a win when you're digging through a cluttered toolbox. Overall, the BORA Automatic Mini Pocket Hole Jig is a smart, well-designed tool that delivers on its promise of simplicity and precision. It's not without its flaws. The clamp could be better, and at $84, it's pushing the limit for what some might consider a mini tool. But for the kind of work it's designed for, it excels. It's accurate, intuitive, and portable, making it ideal for small projects, mobile work, or anyone who wants clean, strong joints without the hassle. I've recommended it to a couple of friends already who were just getting into woodworking, and they've had the same reaction. Why didn't I get this sooner? If you're looking for a no-fuss, reliable pocket hole solution that fits in your back pocket, figuratively at least, this one's hard to beat. If you're ready to drill into smarter woodworking, don't miss out. Like this video and subscribe for more honest tool reviews that cut straight to the point. Whether you're building your first shelf or your 50th, every like and subscription helps me bring you real-world insights, one precise joint at a time.